Why use mind maps for project planning?
Mind mapping offers a visual way to break down complex projects into manageable parts. By laying out ideas and tasks visually, you can see connections, spot potential bottlenecks, and outline your project more clearly. This method is especially helpful for brainstorming, organizing tasks, and ensuring no detail is overlooked before moving into action.
Choosing a mind mapping tool?
There are many mind mapping apps available, such as XMind, MindMeister, and FreeMind. When choosing a tool, consider features like easy drag and drop, task assignment, integration with calendars, and exporting options. Pick one that matches your workflow and supports converting mind maps into lists or tasks for efficient project management.
Building your project mind map.
Start by placing your main project goal at the center of your mind map. Branch out with major milestones or phases. For each branch, add related tasks, resources, or deadlines. This structure lets you visualize all components of your project and their relationships, making it easier to identify priorities and requirements.
Turning ideas into actionable tasks.
Once your mind map outlines all the key steps, convert each actionable item into a task. Many mind mapping apps let you directly transform nodes into checklist items or export them to a dedicated task manager. Assign deadlines, define responsibilities, and add relevant details to ensure each item is clear and trackable.
Integrating mind maps with task management tools.
For better workflow, link your mind map with task management platforms like Trello, Asana, or Microsoft To Do. Export your task list or connect through integrations if supported. This makes tracking progress easier, ensures your plan stays visible, and helps you adapt as your project evolves.